Just another workday, until this shows up. You've seen it before, urgent, alarming, and totally fake. Today's mission: don't fall for fake pop-up warnings. These aren't real antivirus alerts. They're scareware. Clicking them can download malware, redirect you to shady sites, or worse, give a hacker full access to your machine. Step 1. Don't click. If something seems off, close the tab or window. Then open your real antivirus software. Never trust the pop-up. Fake alerts mimic real software, but they slip up. Look closely at the URL, spelling, or forced downloads. If it's not from your provider, it's not real. Step 3. Set up real defenses. Use reliable antivirus tools, browser filters, and ad blockers. These catch fake alerts before you ever see them. Step 4. Share what you know. Most pop-ups trick people because they look so normal. Training your team can stop a click before it happens. Pop-ups rely on panic, but with awareness, training, and solid systems, you won't just avoid the trap, you'll delete it before it starts.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.